push and pull.
Press OK. So pretty.
Why not check it over 5 minutes worth of
So Adam decided to surprise us and he brought us to a kids museum, or I'm not sure exactly.
So this is for James and the older.
Good job, girl.
It just has flat
Yeah.
Push,
colors.
push and pull. 1, 2.
Did you guys create all this?
Oh, our museum is reproduced item.
Wow.
Yeah. This original. Making this one. Push, push.
This is fun.
This one. This one. Oh, this one. Oh, do you know Japanese mochi? Japanese rice
Yes.
cake.
Where they always have the video, and then one guy.
This is very
Go. Okay, hold a cylinder and push up a stick.
Push a stick. Hold there.
Push it down.
Push it down.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Push it
It's
down.
a good for
push it down,
file
push
motor.
it down.
No.
He's dancing.
Yes.
Shijimi move.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a very nice song.
Yes, I'll try.
Yeah.
You do it.
What is this?
Have you? No. Oh, losing.
Cool. Fight this thing. You know what you did to me in college. Oh. Cat and mouse. Blue cat and mouse. Full cover with a cat on top. Okay. And
Fast.
the mouse sneaks out. Close the cover and the mouse hides in the box again.
Hold the coin. 300 years old coin.
300 years old coin. Wow. So he put a string, wrap it around.
で、下から通して、この先を引っ張って、
Wow.
OK?
Good luck, Mila. It's going to be hard.
So hold it like that, and then wrap it around. Hold it up.
Good luck, Mila. No, leave it. This one, take this one, the one here.
Left. Left hand. Yep, and then pull with your right, I think. Yep.
この辺、これ、これ。
Pull that way.
そうそう、引っ張って、離す、離す。
Ah. I can beat you. No, you can beat me. No.
Look, wait. Mommy, look. So this is his hand and stick.
Yeah.
And then this is his hand. And like, so the first one, even just to do this, or even just a piece of hair to come out, they lose. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. No way, I'm gonna win. Yeah. Well, I need to do some wood cutting. Let's go. And look at, he has this little thing on his head. I made a cut. I need you to move because I'm gonna hit it.
No, it's okay.
This is very famous coma.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we put one here.
Wrapping this one.
Yes.
Using 3. Yeah.
Yes.
Wrapping. And make,
Yeah.
make hold this
Yeah.
one. And pull.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. So put up.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Good. Oh, very nice.
Ta-da! I'm a pro.
Yeah. Good. Nice place.
Alright,
Using Japanese
because I use Sevivon, like it's very hard because it's too heavy.
So using string.
It's my hand. Sorry, it's my hand. I won't do it again.
It's okay.
I want to.
Using Japanese money.
Yes, money.
So zeni is money.
Yeah,
Yes. Coin top is koma.
yep.
Yes.
How do I
Money coin top. Yes.
So it's actually pretty hard with all this, and then you. It's so hard. I want to do it. I know because it was very hard for me.
Red versus blue. Huh. 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 Huh.
And so this is how they make
Team, like a teamwork. Actually.
Hi, okay.
So on the way to our Airbnb, Dedinka decided to surprise us with a really cool traditional Japanese museum with really cool and old specific special toys for kids that most of them made from wood. It was just super amazing, super interactive, super fun. I recommend this place for adults and of course for kids. And now we're still making our way to our Airbnb. Look at this.
Yeah, that's their person like this, their head, and they're like closing like.
So look, it's a little baby hanging. It's an old little bat guy. He likes to eat a little bit more than the other. And he is like really into noodles. Wow.
This is Mila.
No.
This is Daddy.
Leo. No, this is mommy. This is Leo.
Okay, I think I game over. This street is absolutely gorgeous. Like this rusty and brown, so beautiful. I think we like way more little towns than big cities. Because big cities is all about shopping. Look, it's a Saks store. Who doesn't need a Saks store? And so cool. Little Saks store. Little street is absolutely gorgeous. Let's see inside this house. Every house on this street is a traditional Japanese little house. So this is look like a ceramic store. I don't know if you can make your ceramics. Look at this little. It's look also so gorgeous. Yes.
Oh, look at the purse, the doggy, and the kitty.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're building our house here. This is our little Airbnb. So this is so gorgeous place. So far, we actually didn't see much. We just walked around town. It was a lot of rain over us, but this neighborhood is so beautiful and peaceful in Nara. So far, we like it so much. So you know what, even not about the deer or any other parks, if you're just looking for escape, the noisy Osaka and all the shopping streets and all these arcades, and you just need to come and experience a little traditional Japan in a very affordable amount and stay in traditional Japanese houses for 45 to 50 minutes away, 500 yen a train ride, and you're in absolutely gorgeous and peaceful Japan. Right now we are walking to 7-Eleven because we are going to get something for our kids to eat. It's a little bit harder to feed them here in Japan, but we're making our best. Let's go. I think this is my style of traveling more than big cities. I'm slowly starting to see what I like more. I think I want to be done with big cities and just explore every countryside of a country. No more big cities.